All right, last video of the Mike's Mega Probe video series, working title. This is not a probe. I wanted to show this cool accessory. This is a 3D probe positioner, and there's a lot of these out in the market, but the one that we sell is pretty darn high quality and fun to use, actually. It's kind of funny. So I have it tightened up right now. By loosening it off, it just goes totally limp. But if you tighten it just a bit, it gives you the ability to kind of maneuver the head around exactly where you need it. Tough to do one-handed here. Tighten that up. And essentially it's pretty straightforward. So you have this one knob that loosens this joint, and this joint all at the same time. Once it's tightened down, it's all locked in position. And the head itself has a couple of small adjustments here. So this tightens the clamp to put around the probe head. And then this is a kind of a pitch adjustment. So it's easier if I look from the side here. Twist this, and it allows me to essentially slightly adjust the angle of the head. Now I have kind of a probe here with some grabber tips on it, so there's a lot of play here. But if you're using soldering tips and the probe head is soldered down to your dut, having this level of fine adjustment is really nice to make sure that you're not putting too much cable strain on the solder on tips, or kind of get things right where you want them if you need to make essentially micro adjustments without wanting to kind of redo the whole arm setup. But yeah, this thing's pretty slick here. Let me loosen this up to take this out so I can play with it a few more times here before I turn off the video. There. So anyway, they're nice to have, especially if you are kind of needing an extra hand to control the scope, or control your dut, things like that, and you don't want to have a hand consumed probing a device. So yeah, this model number of this bad boy is and looks like November 2787 Alpha. I'll put a link to it in the description below if you want to learn more. And yeah, shoot me any cool pictures you have of using probe positioners in the lab. Love to see them.